Welcome to the future of efficient machining. Introducing the Oberlin Side stream system. For those broad-ranging grinding or machining applications where high flow is essential, Oberlin's side stream pressure filter stands out. With a remarkably high removal efficiency, it captures fine, non-settling solids that can be tricky for other systems. The Oberlin Side stream system is simple and easy to use. Used coolant is pumped out of your existing tank and directed to the filter. The rejuvenated coolant flows right back into the tank. Worried about disruptions? With Oberlin, there's minimal disruption to your existing setup. Plus, the bulk of the solids are handled effortlessly by your existing dragout or conveyor. The Oberlin Side stream system, the perfect addition for a smooth, efficient, and clean machining environment.